Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com, and you can see this is search button and enter your motherboard and then hit enter. H410MK. Click on product. You can see this. Then click to support. Select operating system. So you can see Windows 10, 11. There are two operating systems supported this motherboard. So both operating system installations process same. LAN driver and click to download, and then open and double open exe and then click to yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing like that. Controller and then all. So if you are installing for a first time, this is not Bitcom. So select the modify. Otherwise you just repair it and then next. And then okay and finish.